Inayat, tell us more about your journey in iFAST Global Bank. What makes your work exciting and meaningful?
So my journey with iFAST Global Bank has been challenging and rewarding. I have a great dynamic team who is committed to transform the banking landscape through innovation and customer-centric solutions. Right, and what makes my work exciting is leveraging cutting-edge technology to create the efficient customer experience.
When your family and friends ask you about iFAST Global Bank, how do you introduce the bank to them?
When I talk to my family and friends about iFAST Global Bank, I describe forward-looking digital bank that goes beyond traditional banking. Uh, we are dedicated to offer hassle-free digital banking experience to our customers.
What do you think are some of the common pain points for clients in the UK when it comes to their banking experience? And what are the changes your team is introducing to make that smoother for clients?
Yes, so there are obviously every individuals or business, they have their own pain depending upon what their financial needs are, right? Specifically after the pandemic, right? The overall global industry or global landscape is changing, right? Uh, you must have seen in not only in the banking sector but in other sectors as well that the brick and mortars kind of element, the physical branches are disappearing, right? So hence there is a need of having a digital banking platform, right? So when it comes to digital banking platform, obviously they 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 have complex account opening processes, right? They are paying fee for some of the banking services, right? Uh, they have a limitations with other competitors when it comes to having a uh, deposits, right? So we have a competitive. So what we are offering is basically a competitive rates. We are not having any kind of a minimum deposits requirements. We don't have any kind of a maximum that you can have in your saving accounts, so then you can get a benefit of it of that. And also our international remittances or transfer is hassle free, right? So that's what we are trying to achieve for our customers, so then they can have a good and better customer experience. So then for us there are three main pillar and principles, right? We would like to have ease of use, an intuitive customer journey, and also meeting their financial management requirements.
Can you share more about the remittance service the bank provides and how will it transform a client's banking journey?
Yeah, so we have a very strong pillar within our bank. The product itself, it's called Easy Remit, right? And that Easy Remit is basically a technology platform that we have been providing to our business customers as a B2B remittances, right? And that is playing a very strong pillar because when it comes to personal banking, and we are offering our customer a global account, right? So anywhere in the world, they can open an account in UK, right? And definitely there is a need of transferring that money to their home countries or other beneficiaries, right? Based on their business needs or personal needs. So this remittance services, obviously, we will be targeting three key pain points or advantages for our customers. One is basically cost element. So it would be a cost effective, mainly a free of cost. We have a service of international transfer, right? Very competitive rate when it's come to FX, right? And the third element is the instant payments, right? So when banks are using traditional means of sending payment from one country to another country, right? There is always a delay of 2 to 3 days, right? And that is what we are capturing, that, and that's what we are targeting, that we should be providing our customers instant payments. So whenever they want to send the payment internationally, it should reach to the beneficiary within the same day, most of the time.
We hear a lot of discussions on how technology and AI are transforming banking. What do you think truly matters for clients at the end of the day? And how do you prioritize this with your teams?
I believe what at the end of the day truly matters for customers are that they should have a secure, reliable, and ease of use banking experience, right? So we are committed. Our team is committed to deliver the banking experience based on these three aspects, right? Uh, we have started investing into advanced technologies like AI, as you mentioned, to create a better customer experience, right? We have started, there are various use cases that we are going to implement AI, right? But we are focusing initially on the customer support, customer service, right? So then our customers globally, they should be able to communicate to us without any boundaries, right? Because our customers are not only English speaking customers, and that was the challenge for us in the beginning, that how we are going to hire our resources across the global who understand each and every languages, right? So that's why the AI we are plugging in. So whatever the customer language is, they can speak to our AI customer support agent, who will be able to translate and understand and give them advice based on the requirement. The second element where we are introducing our AI capability is fraud management, right? Our transaction monitoring management, right? That's another use case that we are investing heavily our AI on the AI. And going forward, then we would be having various additional use cases where we would like to use AI. One could be the personalization for individual needs. Another could be the element of bringing and transforming our internal operational processes as well.
Are there any other exciting new ideas the bank's clients can expect in the near future?
As I mentioned earlier, that we are targeting the customer requirements, right? So we are very much involved and engaged with our customers, and we need their feedbacks, and we are looking their feedbacks, and we are working on that feedbacks as well, right? So what we have understood so far is that the new products that we will be launching soon, which is a debit card, which is coming for our customers as well. And after that, we will be having the elements of advanced budgeting tools for our customers, so then they can have that elements. And also from a customer finance is also going differently. Banking is also going differently, right? So we need to create a experience that we are having a single platform managing their all financial needs, right? So considering that element, banking is going beyond banking, right? And that's what we will be targeting also. So in future, we will have a very exciting product and services, so then they will have a single arrangement or single engagement with the bank to have their own all financial needs. But when it comes to transaction banking, because that's our another wing within the bank, we are offering a business banking services, virtual IBANs, banking APIs, right? And also various needs that help them to grow their own business, right? Because ultimately our focus is to be a customer centric. What their needs are, how we can enable them to grow their business, right? That is our motto, that is our mission.